Oh, the sun is see okay, this is part 3. You see the sun right here, and that looks like a person pointing this way to what? To the cloud.
You mean the cloud,
The
right?
yeah, it's like
Like a baby, right?
no, a person. Not
For me, like a baby.
for you is more.
No, that I see a baby. Hello. I know.
It was over here. It smelled it.
I mean, it was so bright, right?
It's
And I had my back against the window, and I saw the light.
it was over here, Mom. There was a burn.
Okay, honey. Okay, where's the branch?
No, it doesn't have to be a branch.
Yes.
It can make a big smell.
No, where's the branch?
Doesn't have,
It usually gets a branch down.
but
Boom.
it could leave a smell too without a branch.
Well, it's not kind of fun.
Yeah, it's from the
Okay, I'm
lightning.
not gonna fight. Okay, I know what I know. I have my facts. See?
Whatever.
I know what I know. That's all. Okay, Da Vinci. How do you like
And then you
it?
don't, if you guys can see that, it looks like a hand in the clouds, and now if you turn it the other way, it looks like a person's face.
Da Vinci, did you get scared, baby? Vinci, did you get scared? Honey?